Hi, you guys. Let's talk about this Bernat blanket yarn. I had a special request for a blanket with some good, chunky, warm yarn. So I chose this Bernat blanket yarn, and it is a really great color. This is the birch color, and it actually looks better in person than it does on the website. So if you are just looking for a color like this, definitely want to check this one out. So this one's already open, and I can show you what it looks like. Hopefully that's in view. So it is a chunkier yarn. I kind of vary based on what stitch I'm doing between an 8, 9, and 10. So for this particular blanket that I'm working on, I'm using a 9, but you can see how beautiful this comes out on a blanket, and it's so cozy and warm. And if you're just looking for a great blanket yarn, honestly, this is a really, really great option. I wish I had known about it sooner, but I know about it now. So if you're just looking for something fun, check this one out.